Welcome everyone, I would like to show you how to insert a physical SIM card in Nothing Phone 1. So quick question, you may be wondering, does Nothing Phone 1 support dual SIM? Yes it does. You can insert two physical SIM cards in Nothing Phone 1. The first step is you will need your SIM ejector tool. This should come in the box. It won't look exactly like this, it'll probably look glass. The important part is that little thin edge right here. You can see on my middle finger is rubbing. If you don't have a SIM ejector tool, maybe you don't have the box, then either use a one from a different phone, or get a pin that works, or a paper clip. You just bend it out so you have a little thin part right here. So you're going to find the bottom of the device and you see this little outline in the hole. You're going to use the SIM ejector tool and you're going to insert the thin end into the hole, and then you're going to push down. Okay, you're going to push down with a lot of force, push down until you feel a little click. You'll feel the click in the other hand, and you should see here the SIM card tray has partially ejected. So you can use your fingernails and just pull out. Okay, boom, pull out, and there we go. So look at this, you have SIM here and then SIM 2. Okay, so SIM just means the first SIM card, and then SIM 2 means the second SIM card. So yes, you can insert dual SIM in Nothing Phone 1. So it's very simple. Okay, you just find SIM. Okay, for the first one, you just want to get your SIM cards here and just make sure that the ridges match each other. Okay, the ridge is this little line here. Okay, once it matches, you just push down. Just push down. You should feel a little click, and now the SIM card is flush in Nothing Phone 1. Then you flip the SIM card around and you do the exact same for SIM 2 if you do have a second SIM. What's great about Nothing Phone 1 is when the SIM card is in, I'm shaking, it won't fall out easily. That can be advantageous, but at the same time, may need to make a separate tutorial on how to remove the SIM card as well. So once you have both SIMs in Nothing Phone 1, you want to find the bottom and you see the little hole. Make sure it matches this hole here, and then all you do is just push back in. Make sure it's fully flush, okay, the SIM card tray with the phone itself. Now let's go to the home screen, and by default Nothing Phone 1 should bring you into settings. If it doesn't, then we'll manually slide down once, slide down one more time. We'll open up settings, we'll find network and internet, and you can see SIMs right here. If you have two SIMs, we'll say EE comma and then obviously the second SIM. And there we go, you can see my SIM card has been successfully inserted, and here are all the settings I can change. So with that being said, thanks for watching, see you guys later, bye bye.